Brothers and sisters are awesome. If you have a brother or a sister, or even brothers and sisters, man, you are so lucky. Having a brother or sister always gives you someone to play with. Hey, throw the ball here. If you don't have a brother or sister, there's no one there to throw the ball to. Or play toys with. Or games with. Ready or not, here I come. I'll find you. And each one of you is different and special in your own way. You all have different ideas, different thoughts, and different things that you like or dislike. I really want to play ball. I want to play cars. No, I want to play ball. But I want to play cars. It's okay to have different thoughts. That's what makes you special. But it's also okay for your brother and sister to have different thoughts. That's what makes him or her special too. It's important that we're okay that we have different thoughts and different ideas. If you and your brother or sister are going to play together, it's always a nice gesture to play what the other person wants to play first. Okay, we don't have to play ball. How about we play with the cars first, and then afterwards, we can play ball then? That's a great idea. Thank you. Only playing what you want to play can lead to an argument, and that doesn't make it very fun for anybody. I would like to play ball. I would like to play cars. No, I want to play balls. No, I want to play cars. No, you're going to play what I want to play. No, you're going to play what I want to play. See? Nobody's happy. Compromising and learning to play what the other person wants is a great way to make everybody happy. Thanks for playing cars with me. Hey, how about we go out and play ball now? Wow. All right, thanks. Let's do it. This is a lot of fun. Yeah, sure is. I'm glad we're getting along. We all live in the same house, so sometimes our brothers and sisters do things that we don't always like. Hey, that's my airplane. You give that back right now. Who said you could play with that? Well, it was just on the floor. I thought it was okay. No, it's not okay. Well, I'm not done playing with it. I don't care. I'm taking it. Ow! Yelling or hurting our brothers and sisters is never a good way to handle something. Using nice words and kind hands is always the answer. Let's see how we can handle this situation in a much better way. I see you found my airplane. Yeah, I'm playing with it. That's okay. Do you mind bringing it back to my room when you're done? Nope, not at all. Great. Thank you. Thanks for letting me play with your airplane. No problem, thanks for bringing it back. In this situation, you made your brother really happy. Yay! I got to play with the airplane. You also helped build your relationship with your brother so that you guys can play with each other good in the future. Hey, you want to play with me? I sure do. Let's play. It's important to remember that what you say or how you act towards others affects how you make them feel. When you yell at your brother or sister, "I don't want you touching my toys," it makes them feel sad. Oh, he doesn't like me. If you hit your brother or sister, Don't touch my toys again. You physically hurt them. Ouch! And that really hurts. We always want to use kind words and soft, gentle hands. We never want to yell, and we never want to hit. Very important. And that will help all of you get along great. We're the best friends ever. And your brothers and sisters are your friends. They're the best friends you'll have your whole life. So always be kind to them. So to get along with your brothers and sisters the best way possible, always use kind words and soft hands. Share your toys. Offer to play their games and activities first. And never forget that they have their own thoughts and ideas and feelings. So whatever you say or do, that can make them happy, and that can make them sad, or that can even make them angry. All depending on how you act towards them. So the better you act towards them, the more they'll like you, and the more fun you'll have growing up together. We're a happy family, yay! Lucky you. You have a brother or a sister, or even brothers and sisters. You're so lucky. Never forget that. We're so lucky. The end.